Hypertension, high blood pressure, is one of the biggest health concerns of our time. This is a serious medical condition in which the blood pressure of the arteries is constantly elevated. Hypertension doesn't usually cause symptoms, but it is a major factor in stroke, coronary artery disease, heart failure, peripheral vascular disease, and kidney disease as well. Besides this, hypertension can also elevate your blood sugar levels and increase the risk of diabetes. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a multifactorial condition influenced by various lifestyle choices and genetic predispositions. A sedentary lifestyle characterized by minimal physical activity and prolonged periods of sitting can lead to weight gain, which in turn increases the risk of hypertension. Additionally, an unhealthy diet high in sodium, sugar, and processed foods can contribute to elevated blood pressure levels. By reducing salt intake, individuals can help regulate fluid balance and lower blood pressure. Similarly, avoiding sugary and processed foods can prevent insulin resistance and weight gain, further reducing the risk of hypertension. Adopting a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, combined with regular exercise, stress management, and maintaining a healthy weight, forms a comprehensive approach to preventing high blood pressure and promoting overall cardiovascular health. Regular monitoring of blood pressure and consultation with healthcare professionals are essential components of preventive care to mitigate the risk of hypertension-related complications. The condition is serious and can have fatal consequences, so you should do everything you can to treat it. Besides changing your diet, there's another unusual way of regulating your blood pressure: eating 3 kiwis a day. Kiwis are a tropical fruit rich in magnesium and potassium, which can regulate your blood pressure and improve the state of your cardiovascular system. Besides regulating your blood pressure, eating 3 kiwis a day can also improve your overall health. Consume them regularly and adjust your diet, and you will feel much better soon.